Our cells can make sounds, and each cell has its own unique sound that remains inaudible to the human ear. In 2002, researchers found that Baker's yeast cells oscillate at the nanoscale. They noticed that the cell walls were vibrating at a remarkable rate of 1,000 times per second. These movements, although incredibly fast and subtle when translated into sound, create a high-pitched scream. Researchers believe that this sound comes from tiny machines inside the cells called molecular motors. These motors help move materials within a cell. These motor proteins are attached to the cytoskeleton, which helps keep the cell's shape, and that is linked to the cell membrane. This means that when the motor proteins move, they make the cell membrane vibrate. These subtle vibrations offer a window into how our cells respond to various stimuli, including our thoughts and emotions, and may ultimately broaden our understanding of both cellular function and the impact of psychological states on our bodies. Researchers are now looking into using these vibrations to tell the difference between healthy and cancerous cells. When cells transform into cancerous forms, their internal dynamics change, potentially creating distinct vibrational patterns and sounds. So, one day, a doctor may potentially determine if a cell is malignant by simply listening to the cell's vibrations. Moving molecules inside living cells with the power of sound could be a new way to treat certain diseases.